The longest word in a major dictionary in English language is 45 letters long. Yes, that's right. There are many more things interesting about English vocabulary. In fact, the whole process of learning new words is pretty interesting. Apart from that, everybody knows that a strong vocabulary is an excellent communication tool, and which is why we have come up with a vocabulary series for everybody. Through this series, the beginners, the intermediate learners, and the advanced learners can expect to learn new words along with the meaning, pronunciation, and usage. So here is a list of 20 words every beginner must know. The first word is approval. Approval. It means having a positive opinion of something or someone. You can use it as, I need your approval for the project. The next word is baffle. Baffle. It means an event or thing that is a mystery and something that confuses you. It can be used as, this task might baffle you. The next word is decisive. Decisive. It means a person who can make decisions promptly or just a quality of making decisions quickly. It can be used as, she is a decisive woman. The next word is banter. Banter. It means a conversation that is teasing and playful. It can be used as, the light banter was no longer there. The next word is edible. Edible. It means something suitable to be eaten. It can be used as, all mushrooms are not edible. The next word is suffer. Suffer. It means to experience or be subject to something that is bad and unpleasant. Use it as, he died instantly and did not suffer. The next word is hostile. Hostile. It means an unfriendly person or situation. You can use it as, they were entering hostile territory. The next word is grievous. Grievous. It means an event or person that causes severe grief or pain. Use it as, he took a foolish risk and suffered a grievous loss. Next word is impartial. Impartial. It means a person who is free from any judgment. Use it as, judges must be impartial. The next word is jovial. Jovial. It means a cheerful, merry, and a good-natured person. Use it as, Ravi is a jovial boy. Next word is amount. Amount. It means a mass or collection of something. Use it as, what is the amount to be paid? The next word is absence. Absence. It means the lack or unavailability of something or someone. Use it as, she returned to the company after a long absence. The next word is generate. Generate. It means to produce or cause. Use it as, the boss asked her intern to generate ideas for her new project. The next word is justify. Justify. It means to defend or maintain. Use it as, the politician tried to justify his actions in his speech. The next word is zone. Zone. It means an area. use it as Ria's car got towed because she parked it in the no parking zone. The next word is refused. Refused. It means decline. Use it as the officer refused to take bribes from the employees. The next word is neighborhood. Neighborhood. It means your locality. You can use it as Tina lives in a friendly neighborhood. The next word is yell. Yell. It means to scream or scold. You can use it as Janet yelled at her driver for stealing money. The next word is secure. Secure. It means certain to remain safe. You can use it as I feel secure around my parents. The next word is various. Various. It means more than one or several. You can use it as various people arrived late. So that was our list of words for beginners. Now, I would like you to practice these words by making sentences of your own and dropping them in the comments below. We'll surely give you our feedback on those sentences of yours. If you liked our video, please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing educational videos. To know more about us, please visit our website www.hipolo.com, and if you haven't followed us on Instagram yet, please go there. The link is in the description box. We'll see you in our next video soon. Bye.